What if you could turn back your body's biological clock? Not with caffeine, not with hype, but with the fuel your muscles have been craving all along. This is Advanced Amino Formula, the doctor-formulated amino acid breakthrough that's helping men and women over 30 rebuild strength, stamina, and vitality from the inside out. After 30, your body stops producing the amino acids it needs to repair and rebuild. That's why muscle fades, recovery slows, and energy dip. But it's not aging, it's an amino acid imbalance. Advanced Amino Formula delivers the 8 essential amino acids your body can't make on its own. In the perfect ratio, your cells need to rebuild lean muscle, boost energy, and enhance recovery. Most protein shakes? Your body wastes up to 70% of them. This formula? Up to 99% utilization. No fillers, no sugar, just pure performance fuel. Imagine waking up stronger, clearer, more confident. Thousands have already made the switch, ditching bloated shakes for clean, pure amino power. Because your strength isn't gone, it's just waiting to be reactivated. Click the link, check out my blog for more details, and try Advanced Amino Formula.